Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I am so incredibly excited about this set. I have waited to get this set out. What set am I talking about? This is our exclusive Fold It Club set. Now, to get this set, the only way you can get it is if you are a Fold It Club member. Now, if you're not, rest assured, if you sign up now, yes, you will get this one. Whew, but you better hurry up because we run out. Here we go. Are you ready? Get set. First, of course, all of my clubs come with a handy dandy postcard that show you all these good ideas. And of course, as always, there's always more ideas on our website when you go to our website gallery. Okay, are you ready? I'm madly in love with this one, you guys. You have no idea. Get set. It is called the paper wrapped flowers. So if you go to a florist and they wrap the flowers in paper, that's what this is. Now, it's really fun because I was able to add a lot of extra dies to it. You'd be surprised how many dies I added. So here we go. We have 4 different flowers with shadows, of course. Plus you get this extra little insert die, plus a whole thing of little flowers and some leaves. Now, another cool thing about this is there's a layering die here, a layering die here, a layering die here. Lots of extra layering dies. You guys, wait till you see my samples. Of course, this makes an A2 sized card when folded. But wait, my friends, there's more because you are getting a free stencil this month. Normally, in the shipments, you get 2 stencils. Guess what? I couldn't stop at 2 this time. I had to do 3. So you pay the same price. I give it to you for free. Deal, right? That's like the best way in town. So the first one, or the set, the first 2 are these flowers, and I want you to see them. The cool thing about these two I'm going to show you first, they go well by themselves and they go well together. They are layering stencils, which you know we all love our layering stencils. So if you did them layering, they would look like this. You would have a flower. Here we go. Let's do it this way. There's flowers here. There's dots and centers here. You could use this one separately. You could use this one separately, or you could use them together, and now you have 2 different color flowers. You could even go a little crazy and use the smaller brushes and do some of the colors different also. So much fun. Layering stencils, we love them, right? Also, though, I wanted you to also have one that would decorate your wrapped flowers. So this is 2 different versions of a pattern to go onto the paper wrapped part of the flowers. Now, let me show you some fun samples because you're just going to fall madly in love. Here is one which, oh my goodness, you guys, look how beautiful those are. I love, and what's funny is you're going to say, well, but look at how many different, I kind of just want to show you like 3 in a row because I want you to see how different each and every one is using the exact same flowers and the exact same pattern. So here we use the layering dies. Here's the layering dies. Here is without layering dies, but look, the paper in the back on this one behind the flowers is a pattern paper. Here you can't even see the back practically because there's so many flowers. And this one again has so many flowers. Isn't that awesome? I love it. Now let's look at some more. Oh, what about if you really inked those flowers? Look at how pretty that is. Ink those flowers. There is your card. Look how pretty. Of course, it fits in an A2 size envelope, which is so handy dandy, right? Because we all have those laying around. Look at how pretty those are. Now you can do the side fold or you can do the top fold. I happen to be a fan of the top fold, but you get to do it any way you want. Or you could use it to decorate banners, scrapbook pages. You could make boxes out of them, whatever you want. Flowers that won't die. Isn't that sweet? I love that. Oh, here's another one on a 5x7 card. Now remember, A2 size shaped card, or it could be an A2 sized card, or it could be on a 5x7. Look at how gorgeous that A2 card is on the 5x7. Absolutely love it. Little extra pieces in there. Now, Fold It Club members, rest assured yours is going to be on its way to you ASAP. Now, again, if you are not a Fold It Club member, if you want this, you need to join ASAP because I order X amount. I always order a little extra because a lot of people like to, they see it and then they want to join. But once it's sold out or once the month has passed, you can't get it. cry, cry, cry. So get it now. Thank us later because you're going to be wildly, madly in love with this. Again, we have a few left for extra sign-up, so get in ASAP so you can get this one. And don't forget, you get the postcard with a couple ideas, but lots more on our website. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.